Dentists, stop wasting your money with advertising. Try UnAdvertising. Hello, doctors, dentists. If you want to double and triple your practice, you need not to waste money on advertising only. Advertising has its place, but first must come the UnAdvertising part. Let me explain. UnAdvertising is believed. UnAdvertising is trusted. UnAdvertising gets you known as a jolly good fellow. UnAdvertising creating that brand called you. If UnAdvertising doesn't precede advertising, advertising money is more or less wasted. And you probably know how easy the advertising money goes higher, so high, still people coming in, patients coming in, but the advertising money costs so much that in the end, the break-even point is not be able to be reached. UnAdvertising changes that. UnAdvertising creates a brand called you, and it has to come first. UnAdvertising is the thing which is giving the spark. It's the spark which lights the fire. Advertising then kind of spreads that fire. You need people to come into your practice and saying, I already know you. People need to like you before they walk into your practice, not when they sit in the chair and then start to get to like you. Well, of course, they need to do that too, and you will do that. Doctor, have you ever seen any one of your competitors, of your other dentist colleagues, who says, I graduated very badly in dental school, and frankly, I would have probably flunked if I wouldn't have cheated? Have you ever seen anybody doing that? No. Have you ever seen anybody saying, I have old, outdated equipment, but what the heck, it still works, and only because it gives you a few more gamma x-rays, who cares? Has anybody ever said, I'm rude and grouchy on Mondays and on Saturdays? Maybe I'm not even rude and grouchy, maybe I'm drunk and stoned. Has anybody ever said that? Doctor, value of I'm doing a good service, I'm this, I'm polite, I'm all this type of good things, I have newest equipment. That is not a value proposition. Even the ones who don't do it won't say that they don't do it. You have a license like about 120 other thousand dentists in this country, and people to a certain degree cannot evaluate you. Don't want to and don't believe marketing. They need to first know you as a person. Thanks God, the internet, the www, the World Wide Web, also called in a smaller way the social media and all those type of things, have made that type of stuff enormously easy to do if you know what you're doing, and that is what we do. So doctor, go ahead and set a 1-hour discovery call with us. First, let's talk an hour to see whether there's any match at all and whether our basic strategy might actually be indicating to you. It should, because we've done that for 30 years and it works. So go to this button, set your appointment, 60 minutes, minimally 60 minutes. Take yourself a little more time of discovery call. All right? See you there.